Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is another DIY project. I am going to start making an electric bike. For that I got a 24 volt motor that power 100 watts and I got this from eBay for $7. I have put a cap on top of that. This cap is nothing but the normal wheelchairs rolls. You can buy them from any shop. For I got this one for $4. Mounting is pretty easy. You just need to drill this little bit on the top. Once you drill this, you need to punch this on motor head here, and then this fix on the top of that, and then you can see it's rotating freely. So that's the first step. Make this assembly ready. A quick test on the battery. This is the old battery which I've got. This is somewhere around 12 volt of battery, and I'm going to connect and make sure the motor is working fine first. So 12 volt is less voltage. This is 24 volt motor, so probably I would be connecting 3 batteries in parallel to make this work. Next step is to mount this motor on bike. I'm going to mount it on the rear wheel and connect this particular rubber roller on tire, so that with the friction the tire start rotating on the back rear wheel. So let's mount this motor now. Okay, so I'm going to mount this motor. It's pretty heavy on the rear wheel, something like this. This is kind of round surface, and to hold this surface I need something to balance this. So what I've done, I've taken the bottle holder which comes for the standard bikes. It has 2 parts. So this is the something rubber wheel that goes on this. There is one mount that holds the bottle. So I've just deassembled that and gonna put this on top here, and like this, something like this, so that my motor goes on top of that, like very plain surface, and the rubber will give it a better grip to hold it tightly, something like this. So guys, I have got these kind of holders. These are kind of metal rings. They will they have screws here. You just need to screw them to tighten this particular metal wheel, and I'm going to mount the motor inside this so it stays tight on top of that. So take another ring just to support it tightly. See, it is nice and tight on this particular rod, and you can put one more ring just to make sure it holds it very firmly and tightly. So I'm gonna put another ring on the top side here, so that it nicely fit and balance this particular motor. So guys, as you have seen, I have taken 3 batteries. This is the old 12 volt battery I had. The other one, I have taken one my drill, electric drills lithium battery. This is 20 volts, so 12 plus 20 is 32 volts. I'm going to put it in serial. I've got third battery, then that is again I believe, yeah, 21 volts battery. So I'm going to get good amount of voltage. So let's connect these three batteries in serial first. So guys, to connect three batteries in serial, what I need to do is take the positive of this, connect to the negative of this. That So guys, this is the big battery and it's pretty heavy. I'm going to mount it somewhere here. That's the only best option I found to mount. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to put some cello tape, some kind of electric tape around this, so that it holds this firmly here. The last thing I would need kind of a switch, the on and off switch, and that I'm going to connect here on this circuit, and that will allow me to start the motor and stop the motor. So let me show you. I have already mounted one switch here. Let me quickly show you this. This is the switch, kind of a button I have. This is connected. There are two cables, long cables. I have pulled them over these braking cables, and they're going down, and they're coming to this point, and I'm going to connect them again as a part of complete circuit, and make sure that everything works with. Hey guys, so you can see the bike is finally ready. It's completely electric bike with a switch on and off to make the motor running or stop the motor. So this is how it looks like. This is the wheel which is mounted, and the batteries are all connected to each other, and finally the switch is also connected. So all set to drive, guys.